The next thing I'd like to show you is how to submit your paper assignments here in Blackboard. On the left side menu, you're going to find a link for the worksheets. So if I click worksheets, this is where you'll find all the attachments of worksheets. So if it's worksheet 1, you simply click on that attachment and you'll be able to print that off and show all your work for credit. That's what it shows on each worksheet. The directions are here. If this is not enough space for you, then it's perfectly fine to work this out on your own notebook paper and submit that. So here is what's involved with the first worksheet. Now this one is a little bit more lengthy because there are more topics covered in lesson 1, but that's how you can find the worksheet. Once you work it and scan it as PDF, then it's time to submit it. So underneath the worksheet tab, it says submit worksheet assignments and exam scratch papers. So click that link. More information about CamScanner in case you didn't watch that yet. It's here again. And here's 2 folders. The first folder is for submitting worksheet assignments. The second folder is for submitting your exam scratch paper. So if we go to worksheet, then every worksheet that you'll be submitting for this course will be listed here, and it goes through lesson 38. So there are not too many for the course. There is not a worksheet for every lesson. But if you're submitting lesson 1, then you would simply click on the lesson 1 worksheet. The due date is here, the point value is here. You simply need to browse your computer to find where you save that worksheet and attach it. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to write those in the text box and then click on the submit button. Since I'm not actually submitting something right now, I'm going to cancel that command and it takes me right back out for the other submission assignments. If it is an exam work paper that you want to submit, go back to the link for submitting assignments and open the exam scratch paper folder. So exam 1 is simply your notebook paper that you're going to be scanning, and you would click that link, browse your computer to find where you saved it. Again, if you have any questions for me, you can write those in the text box and simply write submit. Notice that there's an exam 1, exam 2, and then it jumps to midterm exam. Since the midterm is proctored, it is on paper, so there is nothing that you need to submit for that midterm exam. That is kind of in the place for exam 3, so that's why it jumps then to exam 4. We're back to a Newton exam. Exam 5 and 6, and then at the bottom here is the final exam. There's nothing for you to submit. Your proctor will scan your final exam, which will be on paper, and they will send that directly to me. So for the midterm and the final, you don't need to worry about submitting anything here in Blackboard. It's only exam 1, 2, 4, 5, and 6. And again, those scratch papers are just your notebook paper. Show all your work. So I hope this will help you to know where to find the worksheets and how to submit those worksheets and exam work papers here in Blackboard.